Welcome to How to Earn Money through Canva tutorial. In this video, we're going to show you how to earn money by creating mug designs. If you found this video useful, please consider subscribing and hit the like button and leave a comment down below. So if you search for mugs on Canva, you will see a lot of mug designs here that you can customize and then add to Shopify or Etsy or eBay or any other selling website. So after you do this, you can also combine the list pins in Pinterest that we already did on one of the videos. So you can enter any template here, a pro or free. Pro if you got a pro subscription. Like here, this is a free template. You can customize this template as you see. You can change the text, the pictures, the colors, anything you want for your mug design. Then you can download this design and upload it to Shopify or any other selling website. So for here I will change the text like drink me, I am here. As you see, this is a totally new mug design that can be sold for a lot of money. If you found this video useful, please consider subscribing and hit the like button and leave a comment down below. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.